Right here we have a couple 24 scale Ford Interceptor utilities. These are 24 scale, I think I just said that, made by Motormax. As you can see, decaled with the police department out of Fort Wayne, Indiana. Had a run on Fort Wayne cars lately, so anyway, maybe the videos are working as advertisement as the usual. Unit numbers that you requested on here, 26034. 034 top tailgate corner there, and of course the correct license plate that you asked for. Interior, added a few decals, some paint touches in there to highlight the siren controller, radio equipment a little bit better. You can see the microphone laying there. MDT has a couple decals, and also there's an interior light in here as well. You see that once I turn the power on. As far as switch, main power switch here would actually be the spare tire wheel well underneath, where the tire goes inside and sits into it. But anyway, you'll see them when you get the thing. I may even highlight them a little bit with some silver. And then also right here is your button for the siren. The siren will start off when you hit the button, go through a few tones like it's in a pursuit, cycle through the tones as it goes, electronic air horn mixed in with there. And then each press after that will lock in a specific tone. Let's go ahead and turn the main power on. Both of these are lit up the same. Also add a little stubby antenna on the roof of each one of these for you too, just like the picture shows. Again, for the interior, you can see your police goodies a little bit better with the interior light on. Shut that door. Have your flashing headlights, red and blue strobe light bar. Red and blue strobes in the rear window, which my camera is going to kind of fool with us a little bit, make it look like they stopped flashing, but it's a steady pattern off on pattern, just single strobe, and then flashing taillights on this one. Siren, again, is the same as your standard builder uses from Evans Designs. Go ahead and turn this other one on as well. From Evans Designs, again, like as I mentioned, first turn it on, it will go through different patterns as if there is a pursuit. And then each press after that will lock in a specific tone. And then I actually skipped one, pressed it twice. Fourth or fifth press will turn it completely off. This other one is built the same exact way with the same numbers, everything that you asked for. Flashing headlights, interior lighting, same interior setup. Flashing tail, red and blue rear visor, and the same siren. So, there you have it. I appreciate the orders. Thank you for communicating with me quickly when I needed answers, and sending the pics twice because my email eats them. I don't know why. And we'll get these, everything's paid up, so we'll get these shipped out to you. Matter of fact, I'll probably ship them out tomorrow. So priority mail, you should have them. Heck, probably have them maybe even Tuesday, but Wednesday I would think by the latest. Thank you again, sir. Stay safe, and I appreciate the orders.